We have a coil gun shooter made by a team from America that offers a lot to customers for its price of $515. The manufacturing company was founded by two former officers of the U.S. Air Force with extensive experience in aerospace engineering, thanks to its computer control system and more than 300 rounds on a single charge. This weapon can fire up to 13 rounds per second at speeds of up to 246 feet per second. It's optimized to fire variable caliber steel armatures 0.2 to 0.3 inches in diameter and 0.7 to 0.9 inches in length, and a full liability waiver may be required prior to shipment. With its impressive features, it's no surprise that this gun is a favorite among enthusiasts. SSK Industries has made what they claim to be the world's largest caliber rifle, weighing from 77 to 119 pounds and firing 950 JDJ 24.1 by 75 mm cartridges. The rifle has been nicknamed the T-Rex Killer, and with a bullet mass of about 8 ounces, it's heavier than an iPhone 14 Plus. Although the rifle is custom-made and dangerous, it comes at a hefty price. One cartridge costs $60. Did you know that airsoft, a popular sport in modern Japan and the United States, originated in Japan after World War II? Due to post-war regulations restricting the use of real automatic weapons, the Japanese used toys for training. Today, airsoft fans use items like the APS THOR grenade launcher to enhance their battles. This 40mm grenade launcher comes with a trigger mechanism that allows you to shoot 150% more effectively, according to the seller. With a range of up to 100 feet, it's a favorite among airsoft enthusiasts. Introducing the competition to the previously mentioned CoilGun, a railgun that costs only $1,600. According to the manufacturers, this is an affordable price and they are selling faster than they can assemble them. Their website boasts that the model weighs only 7 pounds and has a range of approximately 40 feet. The railgun requires one charge for 500 shots and the total battery life is enough for 50,000 shots. Unfortunately, the battery cannot be changed by the user and requires a specialist. This coil gun is not a firearm and produces no recoil, making it practically silent. However, it is only sold in the US. This weapon was presented at the 2018 SHOT Show, the world's largest trade show for shooting enthusiasts. Another impressive weapon showcased at the SHOT Show was the FDML-5, a rifle for caseless ammunition. Some publications even claimed that the US Army was interested in it. The ammunition used in this model consists of metal charge blocks with 5 bullets each, held in a magazine that can hold 6 blocks for a total capacity of 30 bullets. The system works in 3 modes: semi-automatic, automatic, and firing 5 rounds at a time. With 5 barrels and the ability to be multi-caliber, the FDML-5 is perfect for various shows and exhibitions, but it is unclear why the military is interested in it. Moving on to the semi-automatic grenade launcher, which was also showcased at the SHOT Show in 2014. This 37mm caliber model is not gas-operated. Instead, the trigger is responsible for both extraction and seating of a new shot, requiring 2 fingers to operate. The box magazine has 6 magazine slots for various types of shots, and the grenade launcher appears to be intended for riot control. A single-shot pistol made of only 6 parts is marketed as a self-defense weapon. The models are available for the 380 ACP and 9mm ammunition, and the price is reasonable at $119. The gun has only 2 parts that need to be maintained: the barrel and the breech. The appearance is designed to disguise the gun as a cordless drill, and it is lightweight and small enough for concealed carry.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. We love exploring the latest advancements in technology and bringing them to you. Stay tuned for our next video, where we showcase more cutting technology evolution. Tech Evo.